bro. I'm going to tell the town about the new cook. That makes sense, bro. Jughead. I mean Sexy Lips, she's the supervisor. At the cafe. I figured it out. Jughead. That old fucker is the mayor of this town. Oh shit, bro. That's Sexy Lips' daddy. I'd never see that coming. And no, I am going to work for that fuckface. Shit. Okay, bro. I'm going down the road. ZME. Yeah, bless him. Bobcat, how it goes now. The same shit every day. Need some real yachty food, bro. Yeah, my brada. Get the job. Help promote the cook. Really? Yeah, really, my youth. Okay. I can do that. Jughead. Alrighty, let me hear what you have to say. The new cook. Taking over. Yellow yam, white yam, dashine, cuco, carrots, callaloo, green bananas, a yardman food that I love. Curry chicken back, jerk pork chops of 6 cows. Bobcat want? Now. La 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 la. Wait. The fuck up. Bobcat, you sleeping? I'm so hungry. I need some steam fish. Fire bean. New cook in town. Iron. Bless him. I want steam fish and tough crackers. Yes, fire. Real chat. Them, pussy. Whole tech man fee fool. Fire. Wagwan now. No, weed. Rasta. Lime. Just holy meds. Zimmy. Yes, youth. One love. We Jamaican Jughead and Jellyface. Tarasta. To be continued.